Today I will show you how to delete apps in your Android phone. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to delete apps in your phone. For the first method, just open up your settings app. After that, scroll down. Then go to apps option. That's it. Here you can find here all the phone apps. So find the app that you want to delete from your phone. So if I select Canva, and at the bottom you can see uninstall option. Just tap on uninstall and then tap on OK to confirm it. And it's done. Now the app has been deleted successfully. Now for the second method, just go back and then go to app screen. Now from here find the app that you want to delete. Suppose if you want to delete this app, just touch and hold it. And here you can see uninstall option. Just tap here and then tap on OK to confirm it. And it's complete. You can see the app has been deleted successfully. And that is how you can delete apps from your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.